Momoko Nishikido. The first time I came in contact with CED was in the year 2019. They were kind enough to sponsor me for 11 months during the European Doctoral School of Demography program, which took place at the Max Planck Institute of Demographic Research and also here at the CED. Right now I have a contract as a PhD student with an FI grant for about 2.5 more years or so. And I'm part of the fertility and families research area at the Institute. As a PhD student, I'm working on my dissertation, which focuses on partnership dynamics and its relationship to childbearing behaviors in low fertility countries. Particularly, I focus on Western societies. At the moment, I'm actually working on a paper with my supervisors and a colleague where we explore the first birth probabilities based on a woman's partnership status at a given age. And we do a comparison between native Spanish women and native Swedish women. And I'm also working on a project looking at more recent trends and determinants of living apart together relationships among Spanish men and women. So I decided to dedicate myself to research because it's interesting, but also because I think it's really impactful and beneficial, especially demographic research, because it kind of helps us understand about the inner workings of society and population in general. And what demography represents to me is everything. I know it's a bit of a cliche, but I think it does represent the past, the present, the future. It's also quite personal, but also quite general, because I get to, for example, look at who forms partnerships, or when partnerships are formed, what kind of partnerships are formed, when couples have children, if they decide to have children, and why some of these are the cases and some are not. So, at the end of the day, we're kind of able to take these things and still see broader and general trends of a society. And I think that's what I really like about demography and research.